Habagran bigla patai ko bor hadian ke jelang juga kin hul menteri rang ba ban rap jaka sarkar jela ba president song ulong ba kin hul menteri kala men jori ke jing terwa jaka tanat ke rap kriang bandan no ka farmers commission ka banlong kat kum ka rai bla pen mi ha ka farmers parliament the lord ka taw lo ong ru baling ba ka commission ki nong rap kan sa yo ru ki jing kai ba jing shai ha lord ki ba bon ki benta na mar ken don ru ki reu sham phang na keleng kari india ki ban wan kat kum ke jing ong jo u ka sarkar jilla ling ba ki jing ar jing mot ki ba wan na ka commission kan sala pat panya rap yaki
The draft Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission, or I should say Farmers Commission. So the cabinet has discussed all detail about all this. I think you remember correctly, last year government has organized one first time ever from its statehood, the Farmers Parliament. We call it Farmers Parliament. I think you remember correctly that, I don't know which one was that, but I remember inauguration part was done by Honorable Chief Minister, and then I was there in the concluding part. So ultimately, the Farmers Parliament that day, they passed a resolution, and the resolution is number 1, requesting the government to have a Farmers Commission, and number 2, to also kindly declare at least 1 year as a farmer, what do you call it? Year of the farmer. As year of the farmer. In fact, they proposed that this year, 2019, should be the farmer, the year of the farmer. But ultimately, I would like to tell you here, it is not possible because we were already late. So we would like to prepare this maybe for the next year, that 2020, maybe, it is not finalized yet, but maybe the proposal made by the Farmers Parliament can be considered by the government. So therefore, this commission is very, very important. Well, we need to have, because all these years we don't have Farmers Commission, and by having Farmers Commission, the terms of reference and all the details, the rules, will be in place very shortly, and we will have the full-fledged body of this commission, and this commission will facilitate the farmers. It will be a platform for the farmers to submit any kind of proposal from their side, and then the commission will sit down with them from time to time, and along with the experts from different part of India, can be also invited sometimes, and then ultimately they will make a recommendation to the state government, and state government will respond positively according to this proposal made. So therefore, the cabinet again has approved the proposal of having a new commission, which is known as Farmers Commission in the state of Meghalaya.
Naithurugo Kinhul Menteri Kalapadiang with Menjuru a draft state policy for empowerment of persons with disabilities, Kavan Pinko Borsho Shui Kitu Berenjingtun, Hakit Quatman.
The reservation now is on job is, instead of 3%, it was raised to 4%, and then in case of institution, in case of education, it has been raised to 5%, and this is as per the amended Act of 2016.
Namtalo Ongru Baka Kinhul Menteri Kalarairu, Bantungi Mission Director Haka State Resource Center for Women, Hashilong, Nagabenta Shisnam.
The Social Welfare Department, where they brought the cabinet memo, and the proposal was on appointment of mission director in the State Resource Center for Women in Shillong, and ultimately the cabinet has approved the proposal for appointment of mission director in the State Resource Center for Women on contractual basis for 1 year.
Lai thuru bahagi jingterwaja katna transport ka kinhol menteri kala pediang bantung rewur ki enforcement inspector ban khasan mur ki enforcement checkers.
Allowing transport department for engaging on contractual basis of 6 enforcement inspector and 15 enforcement checker on contractual basis in view of the workload that the transport department has faced these days, these years. So ultimately, the proposal submitted by the concerned department is, and ultimately the cabinet has approved the proposal.
Kawai par kamat ka long banjer kerteng thamai ka Directorate of Research and Training jong tenat ka rep karyang sha ka Directorate of Research Training and Technology Induction.
The Agriculture Department has submitted the proposal for renaming of the directorate of its directorate, which is previously known as Directorate of Agriculture, Research and Training, be changed into Directorate of Agriculture, Research, Training and Technology Induction.